Conditional operators or ternary operators. Ternary operator symbols question mark colon. Okay, what is ternary operators? It's similar like if-else statement. If-else statement, it is decision making control statement. You know very well how to write if-else. So I'm using here if-else. Inside in if I put one condition I less than equal to 10. I value given 5. 5 less than equal to 10 means it will get true. So that will get result inside in if part. Inside in if part will get result print of C. So answer is C. Okay, so how many lines of code there? If you're using this type of decision making control statement, how many lines are there? More than 3 lines. Okay, but I go for conditional or ternary operators. Instead of using this decision making, I go for conditional ternary operators. So single line, in a single line I can executing, I can making the decision. Okay, so what is the syntax for that? Syntax, it is expression question mark expression 2 colon expression 3. So this syntax takes three different operands. Operands. Okay, what is an operand? Individual small unit, it is called operands. So for example, group in the program, group of individual units are there together to form a C program. Okay, there are three operands are there: expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. Okay, what is in expression 1? Expression 1, you should use condition. What is in expression 2? Expression 2, you given some output message or given some values. Same like expression 3 also. Okay, but in this case, if a condition is true, means it will get, the value will get from true. That is expression 2. Okay, for example, this condition true means it will value will be written from true side. This is true, that is 10. Okay, if condition is false, so the value will be written from expression 3, that is answer 3. So now you understood, right? This way how works conditional or ternary operator, so that it gets less space. Okay, in a single line we executing the statement, checking the condition. It is also shortest method approach. Okay, so now I'm going to give you demo for you. Demo program, I'm using conditional ternary operators. You know the syntax of conditional ternary operator. First one expression 1, then question mark expression 2 colon expression 3, then semicolon. Okay, so expression 1 for conditions. So you write condition. You can use any conditional. Okay, you can use relational operator equal to, less than equal to, then greater than equal to. You can use any type of conditions. So condition for expression 1. Expression 2 means I given value or I given any printf statement. So I given printf statement, printf through percentage d of a. Why it is true means if condition is true, the value written from expression 2, okay, now colon printf false, then percentage d b. If condition it is false, the value will be written from expression 3. So what is the value for b? 150. 150 will be returning when condition is false. Okay, so now I'll execute this program. So answer it is true 100. How true 100 will get? Because what's the a value? 100 less than equal to, what is b value? 150. So less 100 less than equal to 150. So condition is true. If condition is true, the value will be written from expression 2. This is expression 2. So if it is false, it will get from expression 3. Now I'll give you two programs. You find an output for those programs, then write result in comment section.